Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. In this video, I gonna share about real example want to build a toggle button that is not switch your PLC output but also change color in your SCADA. Let's show in your SCADA. I hope you watched basic videos on Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk Studio. If you don't know about basic both software, I recommend you to please go on my YouTube channel and watch all videos for basic because of I uploaded basic Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk Studio separately. Now my all video will become on combination of Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk Studio. So let's get started. How to create a toggle button with color animation in Studio 5000 Logic Designer and how to link tag in FactoryTalk Studio. So open your software Studio 5000 and open your project what and open your projects. This project I was created and I added all hardware PLC IO all I added all hardware and PLCs. So open it. It will take some time according to system specification. In step 1, I will explain you how you can create a logic. In step 2, how you can download in logic in Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. In step 3, how you can browse tags whatever you created in Studio 5000 and how to after browse how in step 4 how you can link all tags in FactoryTalk Studio. Let's get started. This is a basic project 1. So simply here I already selected hardware. I already added hardware and IO modules. So I don't want to add again. If you not added PLC hardware and IO module, so please first add PLC hardware and IO module, then you can do this program. On this topic, I already created a video. You can watch also these videos. So open, right click on main program, open, add, click on add and click on add routine. Here you can write any name of routine. Example, basic FT studio with FT. And description you can write anything. Studio 5000 Studio 5000 with Factory Talk View Studio. Always remember during write name between two name should underscore should become. If underscore will not come, it will generate a error. Simply click on OK. Routine is created. So next to call main routine in subroutine into main routine. How you can call? Just double click on zero sign right here JSR and hit a enter button. You can see routine number of parameters in parameter code. It is JSR routine. Jump to subroutine. Jump to subroutine. It will scan main routine will be scanned to subroutine, but when it can scan whenever you will select studio whenever you will select your your subroutine into main routine, on that time this main routine will scan subroutine. Open your subroutine and simply take a one no and take a one output energize, and here you can write toggle underscore button toggle underscore button and right click on it. Here you can see new tag, new toggle button. Click on it. Also you can press here, right click, you can press Ctrl W. Also you can press Ctrl W, and for the cut, Ctrl X, copy, paste. For basic thing I already uploaded video, so you can watch the video. So right click, click on new tag, and here you can see button toggle button. Use controller. It should be always used in controller, because you choose the controller. Base means memory tag. In Studio 5000, base means memory tag. Alias means base memory tag. Alias field tag. Field tag means input output tag, produce and consume tag for share data from one PLC to between PLC to PLC. And here a data type is bool, because because data type should be bool for 0 and 1 condition. And here scope, always select scope studio, always select scope your project name. What is your project, same name you have to select here. Access, you can read only and write both, and also you can denial, you can select none, you cannot access this tags. Click on create one LED 1. Also you can write a motor 1 and Control W, enter. Tag is created, logic is written. Then what you are going to do? You are going to download. How you can download? You need to open Studio 5000 Studio 5000 Logix Designer. So simply, where it is? It is here. So it's opening. Click on S. So how you can download? You can download. Click on communication. Click on who active. And here you can see online, upload, download, update firmware, and many other options you can see here. Studio 5000 Logix Emulate is Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. So how you can select Logix Emulate? I already uploaded on this video. I already uploaded a video on this topic, how you can select, how you can create Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. I already, you can see create. So how you can create Studio 5000 Logix you can see create. So uploaded a video on this topic, how to create Studio 5000 Logix Emulate in Studio 5000. Click on auto browse, it will browse automatically. You can see 1789 A17 chassis of Studio FactoryTalk. If it is a chassis of Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, and it's Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, you can see two Studio 5000 Logix Emulate R3511 means version 35.1. Select it. Here you can see browsing to node Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, and path backplane to mean is backplane Studio 5000 backplane Logix Emulate backplane 2 is because it's I taken in slot number 2, it's backplane. Then you can click on download. Now downloading is started. Here some small warning you need to read. Name, controller name, no name, type Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, path backplane, serial number of Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, and security, there is no production in Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. Then You can read this also. An expected hand hazardous motion machinery occur. Some devices maintain independently configuration settings that are not loaded to device during download to controller. Verify these device, network device, third-party product have been property loaded before placing the controller into a run mode. Failure to load proper configure could result in misleased data and unexpected equipment operation. So always remember, whenever you are going to download ever even Studio 5000 Logix Emulate or any PLC, click on download, starting to download, cancel download. Why cancel download? It's error scheme. What is the error? Click on error. You can see configuration. Because of communication is not done, 1000 Logix Emulate and FactoryTalk and Studio 5000. You need to open RSLinx Classic, its communication software between RSLinx Classic, its communication driver between Studio 5000 and Logix Emulate and Studio 5000. So how you can select communication driver? Simply right click on it, click on communication. Here you can see configure driver, configure shortcut, driver. Click on configure driver, available driver type. You can see available driver type, and here you need to select Ethernet driver, and click on add new. Choose choose name of new driver 15 characteristic maximum. So maximum should be 15 characteristic of. Click on OK. Here you can see Ethernet IP setting, browse local subnet, browse remote subnet. So it will browse automatically local subnet also. So click on Realtek 192.62 and on. Then click on configure driver. Then click on start. The status you can see is running. Close. Now you can see Studio 5000. Here you can see backplane 1798A17A virtual chassis. Virtual means you virtual. What is the means virtual? Virtual means you don't have any hardware. You are using a software like a hardware. It means virtual. So click on Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. Click on plus icon. Click on channel driver. Click on 00 Studio 5000 Logix Emulate slot number and minimize. So now you can click on clear fault, and you can see now you can download Logic in Studio 5000 Logix Emulate, because communication is established between Studio 5000 and Studio 5000 Logix Emulate with using driver. Like a you understand, a driver means vehicle operating by driver. Same thing. Both three. Here there is a three software: FactoryTalk Studio, Studio 5000 and Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. All these software operating by this driver. If this driver is not available, then software cannot operate. Click on. So how again? Click on communication. Go active. And click on download. So program going to download. Click on download. Starting. You can see here also Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. Now program is finalizing. Oops, so one
Now you can see, you can select run mode. Whenever you will select what is here, run continuously, no single scan again. Click on yes, and again you can click on yes, and you can minimize now Studio 5000 Logix. Your logic has been created. Next step, what is the next step? In step number 1 is completed, step number 2 is completed, and step number 3 is open. Step number 1 is completed, logic. Step number 2, call main routine logic into main routine, and Studio